Hello, Chef Marcus Guiliano here, and I'm your chef on a mission. Today's mission is business advice. Usually I give business advice, but I need a little business advice today. I want your opinion. So on Friday, a gentleman calls me and wants to order some food for a to-go party. So looked on our website, saw some stuff. He was on a budget. He told me what his budget was, and he actually misquoted one of the prices on our menu by about $8 a pound. And he goes, "Oh, I didn't realize that." I said, "Yes, let's look at the menu online here together. Here are the prices." He goes, I've been to your restaurant before. My wife eats organic, natural, on the healthy side. I'm doing a party for 30 people, and not everybody eats that way, so I want to be able to have some of your food at this party." I said, "Okay, great, fantastic." So, a couple phone calls back and forth. I actually discounted our smoked barbecue chicken for him so he could meet the budget. I discounted it about $2.50 a pound. And and this is stuff that's not on my menu, by the way, folks. This is something that we made specially for him. So got his credit card information. He said, "Yeah, I'll be around there next day around there about 5 o'clock or so." So I had staff scheduled early, one person to come in and take care of this stuff and make the stuff that wasn't on our regular menu and package it up for him, have it ready. All of a sudden, about 4 o'clock, 4:15, he calls and goes, "I'm not going to be able to make it there. I need to cancel my order." Now, of course, there should be a cancellation fee, correct? And because the food was made and put manpower into him. So, he goes, "I understand if there's a cancellation, this and that, cancellation fee, let me know what it would be." So I called him back and said, "Listen, I want to be fair with you. I'm not sure what I'm going to charge you as of right now." I said, "But the food that you ordered, you can easily still pick up tomorrow or the next day it's here. It's not going to go bad on you, and you can still have the food." So then I explained to him that I had come in, I had staff come in early, somebody come in early that day, and the food is ready to rock and roll. It's here. The chicken just got finished cooking. It just got finished smoking. I had somebody smoking it. Which we normally just don't keep the smoker on. We have to fire up the smoker, and we have to brine the chicken overnight, and it's not on our menu, like I said, and was another item that wasn't on our menu. So I started rattling off numbers. I said, I have 2 hours of manpower in this. You pay staff this amount, this and this. And I said, I probably have like $60 into this. So, I have no problem, charging you what I have into this. I'm not going to charge you the full $100, $120, whatever it was, $100. But between labor and product of goods, at about 30% each, going to that, I figured I had about $60 in it. And I actually have like $53 in it. I said, "No, let me call you back and let me put a pencil to it and let me see how much I exactly have into it." So I have $53 into it. So I'm going to call him back today and say, "This is what I need to charge you, $53. So if this happened to you, if you were a business owner, what would you do if you're a restaurant owner? What would you specifically do? Would you charge them full price? And granted, he canceled within an hour of coming to pick it up. The food is ready. Everything's here. It's stuff that's not on my menu. It's stuff that's specially done, special manpower. Or do you cut him a break like I'm thinking? Just, let me just cover my costs. And at that point, but I still have the food here. I got to do something with the food, and it's not on my menu, so I probably will, staff meal or something, or go to something, or I'd be happy to donate the food for him to a food pantry, or something like that. So what is your opinion? What should I do? Should I charge them the $53 and feel okay about that? Should I charge them less? Should I not charge them anything? Should I charge them the full $100? I'm fine charging them the $53, but I would like your opinion to see what you would do. If you're a guest in that situation and you canceled an hour before, now I explained to him up front that this is a special order, and this stuff is not normally on our menu, because I had to go over and pick things that because he was going things off, and I said, it's so hard the day before you're planning a party to look at my menu, my catering menu online, because some of the stuff smokes for 12 hours, it cooks for many hours. So you're looking at some of the barbecue things that I just don't have sitting around. I have to make this special, and I have to order ingredients in for it. So if you're ordering like the barbecued pork ribs, I don't have that. I don't have that in stock. I have to order those, so it takes several days in advance. I said, so here's what I can do with the limited time and what I do have in stock, what I do have access to for you for tomorrow. So leave some comments below, and let me know what you think. I think I'm fine charging him the $53 and calling it a day at that, but What's your opinion? If you were a guest and you did that within an hour before you're supposed to pick it up, what would you expect to be charged? Would you be okay paying the full $100 amount, or would you want some kind of discount on that? Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting, and we'll see you later.